Here is Anshuman, an 8-year-old boy's story to complete recovery from influenza like illness. As you will see, all methods followed are easy, accessible, and doable by everyone. It cannot get any simpler or easier than this. Take a listen.
How are you, Anshuman?
I am
It
fine.
it is so good to see you. Now you are running about doing everything normally, right? You're
Yes,
great. The first day when you had fever, Dada told you to do water therapy, right? You did not eat. So tell me, like, what did he tell you to do after that that helped you feel so good and better now?
প্রথম রাতে কি করেছো? তুমি তো কিছু খাওনি।
I did not eat anything.
Okay. And
Actually, the night, it was the first night, so
mhm,
he did not eat anything. And
yes.
then from the next morning, the three-step diet, food diet started. It was almost a kind of fasting protocol. So it
Yes.
was the fourth evening today. He had rice and all.
Okay. Today he had rice
Normal,
for the
I mean,
first time.
conventional food.
You didn't have any cooked food, right?
Yes,
Right. And were you hungry? Did you feel weak or hungry?
তোর কি দুর্বলতা লেগেছে?
I was hungry.
তারপরে বাট দুর্বলতা ছিল তোর শরীরের মধ্যে?
No,
But you did not
He
feel
was not,
weak.
he didn't feel this weakness, but he was hungry. He was, I mean, too much eager to eat things. And
Yeah.
today he had two times. I mean, the sooner I entered his house, he was telling me, I have had two times today.
2 times what?
Rice.
Rice and
Rice and what? আর কি খেয়েছি রাশের সাথে?
potato.
And then ডাল ছিল না? হ্যাঁ, ডাল ছিল? No?
you had the lentils. Yeah. Do you know which lentil you had?
Yeah, Masur না
Masoor.
মুসুর ডাল না? Masur.
Masoor
Masur
dal.
is easily digestible.
So you were not eating anything. So the first night, the second night, but were you drinking anything? Nothing at all. You were just having water. So day 2, day 3, what did you have?
Coconut water,
Juice.
citrus fruit juice,
What?
sometimes
So-
fruit,
So how many times did you drink the coconut water?
5-6 times.
So you had 5-6 coconuts, right?
200, 250 ml.
Okay. And citrus juice?
Similar.
So 200 ml each time, 4 or 5 times citrus juice.
Yeah, whenever he felt, I mean, like eating, it was, I mean, in case of children below 15 years of age, we don't have this body weight measurement. Actually, the three-step flow diet protocol, you have to consume it according to your body weight. Like if you weigh 60 kg, so it would be divided by 10, and that means 6 glasses of coconut water and 6 glasses of any citrus fruit juice, freshly taken from the fruit, not packet, not bottled one. And this protocol is for above 15, below 60.
Okay.
As he is only 7-8 years old, so in that case he might feel hungrier than elderly people. So in that case we don't have any certain barriers for them or measurement for them. However many kids I have cured here applying this naturopathy fruit coconut water and citrus fruit juice, I haven't given them amount of numbers of glasses that they have to drink like that. I gave them freedom. However many times you want to drink, you can have. So,
Okay.
and they got cured within 1 or 2 days. Maximum they took 2 days.
Okay.
There was one more case. She was thalassemic baby, very much severe. She took more than 3 days
I see.
to get cured,
Mhm.
completely cured. Allopathic medicine was not working on her, and they immediately got my contact number and they contacted me, and I rushed to their house and I assured them that nothing is going to happen.
We'll cover that story separately. I want to know which citrus did you have fruit, Anshuman?
Pineapple and orange.
Mosami,
Okay. Mosambi is a type of citrus fruit. So any citrus fruit can work, right?
yeah, any citrus fruit can work.
And pineapple also, you had pineapple also. And pineapple, you just, this is Mosambi. Tell us, what is this, Anshuman?
এটা কি
Show-
বল?
Mosambi.
3 days or 2 days, right?
3 days.
3 days. Just this, that's it. And the only solid food you had was today, and which was rice. So the first day itself, your fever had gone. And the second day, you had some tummy upset still that time when we spoke last. So your tummy is fine, your stomach is okay now.
Yes.
বা পেট ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
Okay.
And for tummy stomach disorder, and there is a very simple protocol that one mint leaf is there, ginger juice and mint leaf juice. Body weight hardly matters here, and according to the age, if the patient is 15, above 15, so they should consume a tablespoonful of ginger extract, a tablespoonful of mint leaf, pudina. This should be added with 50 ml of water, and it should be consumed for 2-3 times a day. The patient will come round.
Is there a way that we should be drinking it? Like, should we be drinking the citrus juice quickly? Because my son also had the citrus juice, but it made him throw up.
It should not be consumed quickly. 200 ml of citrus fruit juice or coconut water, the patient should take at least 10 to 15 minutes by sip. And if it is possible, he or she, the patient should keep it inside the mouth, and it should be consumed slowly, very slowly.
Okay. Can you tell us why this makes a difference, slowly and drinking fast? Like, why is drinking fast results? Why does that result in like an uncomfortable experience?
Actually, we are not meant to have anything quickly. Our body is not meant to do like that. If you consume it slowly, the body will accept it.
When you drink, I think the food mixes, we give it time to mix with the saliva. The body gets ready and prepared to accept the food when we keep it in the mouth for a long time, right? Mixing with the saliva in the mouth.
It should be well mixed with the saliva so that can be digested well. And consuming own saliva, it has different benefits, a lot of benefits. And I had a live video session on Facebook regarding this saliva. He got a cut mark over here. While playing, he hurt himself here, okay? So I told him to use saliva. So he used saliva, and now it's okay. It would be any animal you can see, whenever they get hurt, they use their saliva, they leak. Yeah, we are also animals, so we should also follow the same rule.
Right.
We shouldn't apply anything else from the outside. You can use some leaf like calendula leaves or marigold leaves, but you don't need to use anything.
Okay, we will cover that in another video. Now, another question I wanted to ask you was, how did you make the mint juice?
Take some mint juice here. You rub it like this, okay? Rub it like this, and you press it.
Just with your hands, just a bunch of leaves with your hands. Okay.
Like this, yeah. And if you have something like that, you can press it like
right
this,
in the mortar pestle. Yes.
But only for a few leaves, no, it would be it won't work. So it is better if you crush it using your hands, palms.
Okay, and you will get like a
ginger
teaspoon worth. You get a spoon worth from a bunch of leaves. You'll get it easily.
Actually, he had mucus, a lot of mucus. First of all, for the first night when he started 3-step flow diet, the first night he had 3 times. I mean, he went to potty for 3 times, and he was feeling very relaxed after coming back from the potty. And I said, I knew that it's going to happen. And I warned their parents that it's going to happen. And afterwards, after 3-4 times, he's going to have some mucus in his stool. And it was full of mucus and other things, dysentery type. And I said, don't worry. And they are health workers here. In Jalpaiguri, they are health workers, government health workers. They didn't know this. It's going to happen like this. And it was the first time for them. And I am very thankful that in spite of being this from other department, like allopathy practitioners, they called me and wanted to try this protocol. And I am very happy that they did.
I am so happy too. Anshuman?
One more thing, if I say one more thing here, even though we can take the credit of our protocol, I can take the credit of myself that I did this, or their parents can take some protocol credit that they have bought the things and this all. But all credit goes to him. He had done it till today. He did everything accordingly. Whatever it was he was asked to do, he did. This Anshuman, and he is the thing,
Anshuman. So Anshuman, this is a lesson you will never forget.
He's feeling dizzy, he's feeling dizzy because he had He had eaten a lot today.
Oh, so Anshuman, this is the first time you have you ever fallen sick before?
Yes.
So how has this experience of recovery been different from before?
তাড়াতাড়ি সুস্থ হয়েছিস
How long did
আগেরটাতে
it
না এখনটাতে
how long did it take you to get well before in your
এটা
earlier?
he said this one is better, I mean more comfortable. It should be because it doesn't have any hangover of the medicine, post effects of the medicines, you better call it. So I call
Yes.
it hangover. After you take a lot of antibiotics and a lot of medicines, allopathic medicines, you have some side effects. You can see one thing, you can observe one thing. Even if having 104 degrees of temperature in his body, he felt like eating anything. If you have fever, you feel like you don't feel like eating anything.
Right.
Okay, but even yesterday he was shouting at home, give me some food. And they said, no, your teacher has already told you not to have anything. So he said, okay, then I listen to my teacher. But even if he is this kid, after suffering from this much of high temperature in his body, he felt like eating. This is awesome, and it is possible only in this protocol. Which one is better? This one.
This one.
This one.
So this is the first time you took food as medicine.
Yeah, fruits as medicines. This is the first time, no?
Yes.
And one thing, when I came here, I said, how are you feeling now? He said, I ate 2 times today, 2 helpings.
Yes.
Then I said, now you realize the value of rice. He was saying, yes, I understood. From today onwards, I'm not going to misuse a single, a big
Grain.
grain. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So now your protocol is finished. Now you don't have to follow anything.
Yeah, now from tomorrow onwards, he will be having one diet protocol, DIP diet, disciplined and intelligence people diet. So I'll narrate to their parents that they should be following this diet, at least for him. It would keep him healthy. It would keep his immunity, this primitive immunity we call it, it would be stronger. Dr. Bishirup Roy Chaudhary has moduled it. Till 12, you have to consume only fruits as much as you can for the kids at least, otherwise according to your body weight. And then for lunch, divide your lunch in 2 plates. For dinner before 7 p.m, you have to again divide it in 2 plates. First plate will be salad with 3 or 4 types of vegetables, and second dish is home cooked vegetarian vegan dish, no animal protein.
So you have 1 plate of raw food and 1
Raw food.
plate of cooked food.
We give much more importance to raw foods only.
Awesome. So we will cover this DIP diet, DIP diet also separately.
Yeah.
So Anshuman, are you ready for the DIP diet?
Yes, I am ready.
Thank you, Anshuman.
There are many other stories of successful and easy healing that will follow, including that of a 10-year-old boy that will humble many of us. Please subscribe, share, let go of fear, and spread kindness.